व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट लॉ, पढ़ाते तो सब है बट क्या कोई पर्सन अटेंशन देता है? वादे तो सब करते हैं बट क्या कोई एंड तक साथ निभाता है? टेस्ट सीरीज तो सब कराते हैं बट क्या कोई पर्सनली आंसर्स को एवेलुएट करता है? नहीं ना? वेल देन आई वेलकम यू ऑल टू एड्यूमेंशन. Hey everybody, I am CS Ishika Agrawal and you are watching Edumention. So here I am with an announcement of a live company law class for all those CS executive students who are going to appear in June 2022 or December 2022 examination. So let me tell you all about this course, what I am going to offer you all in this course. Basically, this course is going to be live plus recorded, which means that I will take your live class. There will be live two-way interaction. You can ask your doubts, and you will also be provided with the recording of those live classes, which you can watch n number of times. There will be no limit on the views. Right, so this was all about class. Basically, this class is going to be a 200 plus hour course. Now coming towards books, you will get a proper regular book, volume 1 and volume 2, and there will be 100% ICSI module coverage. Apart from this, you will be provided with handwritten notes, which I personally make using various charts and examples, interesting examples and case laws. So this handwritten notes are very effective for understanding purpose and for revision purpose, जो normally मेरे बच्चों को बहुत 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 ज़्यादा पसंद आते हैं. So I'll provide you with those handwritten notes. Apart from this, I will provide you with various questions, past year questions, and case laws questions for your writing practice. This was about books. Now coming towards test, there will be regular test for your answer writing practice. I will conduct proper regular chapter wise test after completion of each chapter, and there will be two 50% syllabus coverage test, and after completion of your full syllabus there will be a full course coverage test. So इतने सारे टेस्ट हो जाने वाले हैं कि आपका प्रॉपर बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से आंसर राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगा. एंड ऑल दिस आंसर सेट्स आई पर्सनली इवैल्यूएट, आई पर्सनली गाइड यू दैट हाउ यू शुड राइट योर आंसर, कि यहाँ ऐसा नहीं ऐसा लिखना चाहिए था. हाउ यू शुड स्टार्ट योर आंसर, हाउ यू शुड सॉल्व केस लॉज, व्हाट शुड बी द राइट लेंथ ऑफ द आंसर, एवरीथिंग. सो बिल्कुल आंसर राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस की चिंता मत करिए, मैं आपको पर्सनली गाइड करूंगी और आपकी आंसर राइटिंग को इंप्रूव करूंगी. Right, so this was about answer writing practice. Apart from this, there will be proper doubt clearing sessions. You will be provided with various रिविजन. आई टेक डेली रिविजन, जो हम लास्ट क्लास में पढ़ते हैं अगले दिन हम उसको डेली रिवाइज करते हैं, उसके बाद ही हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. इतना सारा रिविजन हो जाएगा आपका कि आपका बहुत अच्छी तरीके से मेमोराइज भी हो जाएगा और अंडरस्टैंडिंग भी हो जाएगी लॉ की बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से. ठीक है, क्योंकि हम एकदम इन डेप्थ अंडरस्टैंडिंग के साथ पढ़ते हैं, जिससे कि हमें लॉ का इंटेंट भी पता चले और उसका इफेक्ट क्या होगा, प्रैक्टिकल एस्पेक्ट क्या होगा, वो सारी चीजें बहुत अच्छे से पता चल जाए. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, आई विल प्रोवाइड यू विद ऑल द अपडेट्स एंड अमेंडमेंट्स. आपके सिलेबस के लिए, आपके आपके अटेम्प्ट के लिए जो भी एप्लीकेबल अमेंडमेंट होगा, आई विल कवर ऑल दोज एप्लीकेबल अमेंडमेंट which are applicable for your examination. Right, so after all this, if you are interested in this course, you can watch demo lectures on my YouTube channel. Right now there are lecture 1 and lecture 2 available on YouTube. Lecture 3 demo is tomorrow, which is on 29th November. Right, so you can watch demo lectures on my YouTube channel, and remaining demo lectures you can attend live, because I am going to take 10 live demo lectures on my YouTube channel. So you can go to this YouTube channel named CS Ishika Agrawal Edumention. Here you will get lecture 1 and lecture 2. Lecture 1 and lecture 2 demo lectures of Company Law CS Executive. Lecture 3 is going to be tomorrow, which is on 29th November. So do attend remaining demo lectures live on YouTube. And if you're interested in purchasing this course, don't delay. Go right now and register yourself for this course, because we are offering 10% discount for those students who will register themselves before on or before 30th November 2021. So let me tell you how to buy this course. You have to download our app, which is named EduMention. You can go to the Play Store, type EduMention and download that app from there. If you're not able to find that app, you can go to the description box of this video. You will find a link to download the app. Go to that link, click on that link and download the app EduMention. So after you will download this app. See, after you will download this app, you have to go on store. After you'll click on store, you will get here various courses available. So you'll get my two course here, one CS Executive Company Law lectures plus soft copy, and another is CS Executive Company Law lectures plus hard copy. So if you want to buy lectures plus soft copy, the fees is 2999, but further you will get 10% off to this. And if you want to buy physical material, that is hard copy, you want physical books couriered at your place, then there will be some printing and dispatching charges, which is approx 500. So the course will be approx 3499 if you want hard copy. So it's totally upon you whether you want soft copy of books or hard copy of books. So if you want soft copy, then click on this link. If you want lectures plus hard copy, click on this link. So for example, I want to buy soft copy, so I'm clicking on the first link. So I clicked on this link. So ये course open हो गया है. Here you can get all the details of the course. You will see all the details about this course in the description box. So now here you have to enter the state. For example, I'm entering Chhattisgarh. So after entering the state, you have to apply here coupon code, and the coupon code is ISHI10. So after I click on view all, see here I'm getting a coupon, and the coupon is ISHI10. If you apply this coupon, you will get 10% off. And please remember that this coupon will expire in 2 days. So make sure that you register for this course on or before 30th November. Right. So if I'm clicking on apply this coupon ISHI10, see coupon is applied, and now the course fees is discounted by 10%, which is 299. So basically now the course fees is not 3000, it's 2700. 70 rupees is some internet handling charges which is added to this course. Now you can click on buy now. After you will click on buy now, there will be payment options. You can pay through UPI, debit card, credit card, net banking, anything. So you can pay and then you will be registered for this course. Right. If you want to purchase hard copy, you have to click on another link, and there you have to provide your proper address. In that address, we will dispatch you your hard copy books. So this was all about this course and how to purchase this course. Make sure that you click on the description box and you click on the link and download the app EduMension and subscribe to our course. In case you want any further information, you can contact me over Instagram, over WhatsApp, over YouTube, or over email. Right, you will get all the details in the description box that how to contact me. Do feel free to contact me for any further guidance or for any query. I'll see you in the live demo lectures of the company law. Right. Till then, keep learning. The more you learn, the more you grow. And the more you grow, the more you achieve. Take care. Bye bye.